India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very day. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being
And prosperity alone. Life my happiness.
lies my happiness.
दीजिए
Thank you, ma'am.